morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. 12th English, new syllabus. 1.5, the new dress, state board icebreakers. Let's begin. 1.5, the new dress. इसका स्पीड ब्रेकर्स देखेंगे, सॉरी आइस ब्रेकर्स देखेंगे, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करेंगे. Write in column B the description of the clothes you would choose to wear for the occasion given in column. कॉलम ए में जो occasion दिया है उसके हिसाब से कॉलम बी में आपको जो कपड़े पहनते हैं उसके बारे में लिखना है. अ बर्थडे पार्टी, इसमें पार्टी वेयर. अ प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी एट स्कूल, फॉर्मल वेयर. अ पिकनिक, कंफर्ट वेयर. और एन एंटरटेनमेंट शो, कैजुअल वेयर. Discuss the criterion of the choice of your clothes with the help of the following points: occasion, society, availability, fashion, your wish, whim, a suggestion or advice by someone, mother, sister, friend, etc., any other than the above mentioned reasons. Occasion, whether it is a birthday, wedding, picnic, college, festival, etc. Society, people you may meet at the venue, friends, relatives, classmates, visitors, students from other colleges. Availability, bought at a store, tailored, borrowed, etc. Fashion, designer clothes, casual, Indian, formal, western, formal clothes, etc. E. Your wish, whim, color of my choice, style, etc. F. A suggestion or advice by someone, mother, sister, friend, etc. Only advice by friends. G. Any other than the above mentioned reason. I would choose a dress that would suit me and set off my looks in the best possible way, even if it may be out of fashion. I would not go by whether it is expensive or branded. Divide the class in groups. Discuss the costume for role of costumes in enhancing your personality. अब इसके लिए कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं, इसका इस्तेमाल करके आप डिस्कशन ले सकते हैं. क्लॉथ्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इंपॉर्टेंट. कलर्स, cut that suit a person. If the clothes are suitable, confidence level increases. However, it is not the cost of clothes but suitability to the wearer. On occasion that are important, your clothes also depend on the culture and place. State whether you agree or disagree with the following statements and discuss the reason. A simple dress make one's personality look dull. Disagree. We should not judge ourselves from the comments we receive from others. Agree. A fashionable and costly dress makes you look rich, intelligent, and beautiful. Disagree. We should choose a dress according to the fashion rather than our choice. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. खुदा हाफिज़.